Hi, welcome to the training today. Today I'll be going over the Gaming Commission 1 application or the Compliance 1 application. This training is in regards to storing the hash values of documents and videos and audio files inside the application. So for example here I'm going to navigate to the archive module here, and I'll open up one of these here, and you can see that there is a field here where you can store the hash value inside here, which you can search for later. And mainly what the application does is it stores this file for so that you can verify the file integrity later on. The application itself does not hash the file for you. This is something that you can use. Two of the applications that comes with the application, the Gaming Commission application, that will give you the hash value, and then you can store that value in here. Okay, so for example here, I'm gonna open up the two applications here. Okay, so the application comes with two hashing programs. The first one is the SHA-2 256 hashing .exe, and then there is a SHA-3 256 hasher application. If you are using on a Windows system, if you're using the SHA-256, then it should just work. But if you are using the SHA-3 in a Windows environment, currently Windows doesn't have Python, so you will need to download Python if you're using the SHA-3 here. The current version that we're using is the Python 3.13.2. Okay. So for example, if I launch the SHA-256 here, it's going to prompt you for the file path of your file. I'm going to choose the Python file here, and I'll right click, choose copy as path, and then I'll go here and I'll paste that path in there. Okay, and we'll hit enter. It locates the file, and it's going to use PowerShell, and it kicks out the hash value. So this is your hash value here. You can take this, you can copy that, and then you can go back to your application, and let's say we'll do a brand new one here. I'll say this is a new photo. Okay, and I can store that hash value right here. I can attach a file to it. Okay, so let's say we'll throw in a screenshot here. Okay, you can view it. Okay, I'll close out of that there. Okay, so this field here is where you would store your hash value, and I'll close out of that. And very similarly, if you go into the slot section here, you can also store the hash value in your slots documents as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here to the application. Once you're done, enter, and the application terminates. So let me run the SHA-3 here. I'm gonna run the SHA-3 application here, and Visio. There we go. Okay, so very similarly, close that out. You will put your path here, and then you will run the application, and it will give you a hash value. Then you can copy that hash value and place that into the application. Okay, so I'll close out of that. Once again, if you're using the SHA-3, make sure you have Python installed. And if you're using a Windows system, you could just use the SHA-2 256 hashing program here, and that should be able to hash the values of your file for you for later usage, such as verifying file integrity. Okay, and that will be it. If you have any questions regarding storing hash values, feel free to send us an email or contact us, and we'll be more than happy to go over the process of storing the hash value or grabbing the hash value for you as well. The application does come with two of these softwares here, so you can hash your files as well. Other than that, thank you for attending the training, and if you have any questions, feel free to send them in. Have a great day, and once again, thank you for attending the training. Bye bye.